Will a decorated veteran be deported? That's the decision an immigration judge has to make. I'm Denver 7's Colette Bordelon, and I'm breaking down what we know about Jose Barco's past and what we still don't know about his future. This is a story
Nothing about this case is easy, and nothing about this is anything but nuanced.
about a decorated veteran and a violent crime.
It comes down to a man who made a commitment, made a sacrifice, and had a promise made to him that wasn't kept.
Jose Barco says he came to America from Venezuela when he was 4 years old, and by 18, he was deployed to Iraq.
I mean, we served together. I'm not going to turn my back on him.
U.S. Army retired Sergeant Ryan Krebs was Barco's combat medic when, in 2004, Barco sustained a traumatic brain injury.
Jose, I believe, saved other soldiers' lives. He lifted a burning car off of a couple other guys.
What are we committing to when we send people overseas to face atrocities that we can't imagine, and then we bring them back here and we fail to provide adequate support?
Anna Stout, a Grand Junction City Council member,
We were hoping that we would have a decision today.
and Kevin O'Connor, an attorney, are volunteering to defend Barco against deportation. Monday was his final hearing, and the judge will be issuing a decision in the coming days.
We shouldn't be here today.
Part of the evidence submitted for the judge to consider, this statement from Barco's supervising officer in the Army, who says Barco's application for U.S. citizenship should have been approved by the end of 2006. But at some point, the packet was lost.
It's appalling, and every American should be deeply offended by this.
An arrest affidavit obtained by Denver 7 details a night in 2008 when Colorado Springs police officers responded to a call of shots fired at a house party. A 19-year-old pregnant woman was shot in the leg as a car drove in front of the house, and Barco was identified as the shooter by other people at the party.
He reacted at a party, shot randomly, and he made a terrible mistake and served 15 years for it.
Barco was convicted in 2009 of 2 counts of attempted murder and 1 count of felony menacing.
We've never tried to excuse what happened, but I don't think that you can look at what happened in Colorado Springs and extract it from the bigger picture of being a person who was sent overseas and witnessed things that would break most of us.
An ICE spokesperson says an immigration judge ordered Barco be removed, and they're working to enact that order.
DHS was trying to argue that Jose was never harmed by Venezuela and that he was never harmed by Cuba or Mexico, so that there's no legitimate fear of future persecution.
Barco could be deported to Venezuela, which has rejected him once this year already, or Cuba or Mexico, all places where his legal team believes he will be in danger.
The fact that he's a U.S. veteran makes him that much more vulnerable.
Do you believe America has turned our back on Jose Barco?
100%, yes.
His team waiting on what's next. So right now, this is a story without an ending. In Aurora, Colette Bordelon, Denver 7.